Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Let's talk about GAXY, Galaxy Next Generation. This stock, this company has been on a lot of investors' radar as of late. Investors, traders, swing traders, whatever. Everybody is getting involved in this company and it's gaining a lot of attention. We spoke about this one a few times on the channel already, but there's been some updates and the price obviously has been moving quite rapidly. So we're going to jump into this stock and give you some latest news around the company. But before we do, if you could smash the like and subscribe to my channel, that is of course always appreciated. And if you haven't yet joined our Discord, it's completely free. First link in the description. We talk a lot about penny stocks on there as well. So let's jump into Galaxy Next Generation. Now I'm not going to go through exactly what this company does because we've spoke about it on a few different videos, so you can check those ones out. This is an update to why the share price has currently been falling and where we think it will go in the next few weeks. So the first thing we want to look at here is not too long ago, a few days back, they announced another press release. And this press release says, Galaxy Next Generation establishes common stock equity agreement to support its growth. Big news for Galaxy Next Generation. They announced that they've entered into a common stock purchase agreement and registered rights agreement with an institutional investor for up to $10 million worth of shares. So an investor is investing $10 million worth of shares over a 24-month period, but they have been given an initial upfront investment of $500,000, which is massive for a company of such a small market cap. And in response to this from the CEO, Megan McGee, I want to reiterate this investment is a step up for us. An upfront capital of $500,000 is substantial for us to continue to grow our sales, and it is a common stock equity at a fixed price. So this is really good news. It provides us with additional growth capital to increase our sales and is at our control and discretion in regards to the amount and timing. It better positions us towards our capital market goal for 2021 and uplist to major US national exchange, which is absolutely incredible news. They're going to put this towards supporting the growth of their business. This money is going to go straight into their business and they can start developing new products, marketing and getting the products they already have out there. They have got some really good products. We've already know about the visual alerts, which is kind of a new addition to this company, which is going to be really big. On top of that, they've got their Couv shields, which is obviously current, that is for sure. So they are in a really good position to take advantage now of this extra capital they've received and put it back into the company. On top of this, we need to remember the recent update from Galaxy Next Generation. They are debt free, they have no debt, and now they're getting more and more cash investments. So let's jump into their stock price because this has been on a real ride. This was an actual penny stock. It was down at 1 cent per share for quite a period of time. This almost shot up to about 3 cents per share. That's a 300% gain right there in such a short period of time. We are now seeing a pullback. As with most penny stocks, this is extremely volatile. If you are investing into a penny stock, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research first. These are extremely volatile stocks. We tend to see a pullback after a lot of hype around the company, and that is what has happened here. We take a look at the last 5 days alone. In the last 5 days, we are down about 11%. But if we take a look at where it was at, 0.037. So almost 4 cents per share. From that moment, we are down 28%. That is quite a big drop off in the last few days. However, 28% for a penny stock, that is not unheard of. Bearing in mind, we have seen some of these stocks shoot up 200% in one day. I really don't think that this is anything to be worried about as an investor. If you are investing for this in the long term, then you'll be fine. I really think that the potential for this company is absolutely huge. If you're looking to make a swing trade, then it's all about timing really. You have to know when to time this, and with penny stocks, that can be an extremely hard job. But I do think we are going to see this upward trend in the next few weeks again. It may continue to go down, but the reason for this is there's a lot of volume being traded right now. More and more people are hearing about this company. You can see that it is gaining more and more popularity, which means there are a lot more shares being bought. Also means there are a lot more shares being sold. People are taking their profits off the table whilst the hype is there. But once all of this hype kind of dies down a little bit and it starts to become, a common stock, we may see this start to uptrend again. Take BioNano for example. The same thing happened there. Absolute huge hype around that stock, and of course, like with all penny stocks, we are now seeing a slight sell-off, but it doesn't mean it won't go on to recover. I really think Galaxy Next Generation is in an amazing position to grow from this. So we're just seeing a sell-off here because there's been so much volume of shares traded. I just want to go through something I found on this. Volume increased on the last day of trading, so on the Friday, by 40 million shares, which is an absolute crazy number, and that's on falling prices. So that's all it is. Hype around this stock has led to people taking some of their profits off the table. You might be sitting up 200% and thinking, should I take my profits now? And that's the same as many investors. It doesn't mean this is not a good investment for the long term. So yeah, I like the fact that they've got no debt, and they've got another capital raised as well, 500,000 from another investor, and they've got all of their other product lines going out. It's in a really good position to take the market by storm. Let me know down below, are you an investor in Galaxy Next Generation? What's your plan? Holding, selling? Maybe you're buying more at these prices. Let me know down below. And if you find this video useful or interesting and you want me to keep doing updates on these types of stocks, smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks for watching, and until next time.